I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market today. Soybeans were lower. It seems that the better weather really across the Midwest just sent the market, downward. Also, non-commercial liquidation of a lot of their long positions really send the futures tumbling. And I think that over the last 2 weeks, we were at 1050, and now to be at 968 in that area has everyone a little bit nervous about these prices here. But it has been some technical selling, because as the market moved lower, it would trigger more selling and what have you. Also, the barge freight rates are a little bit higher now. That's pressuring the market. But we are in a full weather market right now, and I know that we're having such difficulty with the tariffs, and that's what's adding to a little bit of this the price pressure. That's not going to last forever, but until we get a handle on the tariff situation, I think that we may be pushing the lows, as well as for corn too. So corn today was a little bit steady. That 10-day weather forecast has really set up to benefit the corn, and certainly in the early stages of this crop cycle. That being said, corn is pretty much off its high for the past while now, and it seems that the rain is going to help this early growing season, and hopefully the bearish sentiment has cooled a little bit, because right now we have really come down for the past from the 2-week highs, and I think some of the traders were concerned that we're going to really start to tumble. One thing to notice, though, is that a lot of the options have not completely liquidated. As a matter of fact, even on the trading floor, the option volume has increased a great deal. That tells me that volatility is still up, and we're going to expect a lot more volatility within the futures as well. So with the wheat, it also fell. It seems that a lot of the increased the global production is what's pressuring the market. Now, there has been some worries about some trouble in the Ukraine with the wheat market and some of the other areas of the wheat growing, and it has been back and forth. But overall, the global supplies are really pretty high. And the spring wheat crop, also the crop conditions report was super favorable right now, and so this is always outside the southwestern plains, because that's still in trouble over there. But otherwise, everything is looking good. That kind of put the pressure on the market. But one thing to always remember is that there is a Trump effect, and that's still in play and still part of the consideration of all the grains right now. So we always are watching out for what's happening in the White House to decide on to see if it's going to have some effect on any of our markets. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.